Hello guys, welcome to another video on the channel. Not for do not disturb first. Let me check if I'm recording or not. Okay, I'm recording. Hello guys, welcome to another video on the channel. And today I'm going to tell you how to make 6 draft maps. Well, the limit is 5, so I can only make 5, but I'll tell you how to make 6. So the first step is I'll go to map maker. First, I think I'll friendly. Okay, we need to have all 5 maps first. We need to have 5 draft map. So now we need to submit one of our maps. Okay, I would submit it. Now we can make one more. Now we need to make any type of a map. It could be anything. I would make a duo. And need to do is quick. So I would do nothing in my map. I will just do like this. And the map is made. Okay, let's save and quit. Okay, now here you can see that we have 5 maps right now. We have 5. Now we'll click edit. It's saying that the map rank race has been already submitted. Saving and edited map will return it to draft status and reset approvals. Do you want to edit? Yes, I want to edit. Now it will become a draft map again, so we'll have 6. Okay, I will do nothing, no changes to it. Okay, quit. Okay, now here you all can see there are 6 maps. So this was a short video, so I'll delete this. No need of this now. So this was a short video, so bye guys. Please tell me in the comments how was the glitch, or you already know the glitch. So bye for now.